What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're going to be assessing the damage that I did on my brother's S550 Mustang. A couple of videos back we did a liquid vinyl front splitter install on it, and I tried my best to avoid breaking the bumper clips that these Mustangs are notoriously known for. It happens on the 15 through 17 Mustangs. It doesn't happen on the 18s and up because they changed the bumpers, so the clips are a bit different. I guess Ford realized that it was such a problem and they actually ended up making them a lot better. So that's what we're going to be working with today, and I know this happens a lot on S550 Mustangs. There's a couple of ways you can fix it. One way could be adding some glue, but if you add the glue, guys, it's going to be really difficult for you guys to remove the bumper later on in the future. You can also, I've seen some people add like two little buttons with like some kind of like string or rubber band that goes here, or you can do the quick latch. That one's a little easier because you just click the button and the bumper is able to be removed. So this is the quick latch release button, guys. You get two of them, one for each side. Today we're just going to be installing one, which is the broken side. I might end up doing the other one later on just so it can be even, but these are about 30 bucks, guys, and you are going to have to drill into this bumper and the bracket inside of it as well. After that, guys, it's really not going to go anywhere. It's going to be drilled in, it's going to be bolted up, and you should have your fixed bumper. To start the install, you do have two 8mm bolts that are right behind the bumper. Those come off. This bracket should be able to come off like that, and you have this bracket. Now with this bracket, guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to break this little clip off, and then right here you're gonna drill a hole, and then you also have, let me show you guys real quick, you also have this hole right here. This is where the little bolt's gonna go through. You screw it to the back, you screw it to the front, you drill the hole here, push it in, boom. That easy. So this thing comes with no instructions, guys. So you have your nut, your washer, and I place it through this hole right there, just like that. And then you have another nut and washer. You're gonna want to put it in through the back. Now, guys, you get this little bracket, get this little clip, just like that. So now we drill right here, guys, right where this hole is, right here, and it should be, just make it big enough so that little screw can go in. To me, this is the hardest portion of the install, and that's gonna be, and it's kind of weird, is you have to push the fender, the bumper, into this little knob right here, which is from the bumper clip, little latch thing. And that's supposed to give you like an indent here. Once you see that indent on the bumper, that's where you're gonna wanna drill your pilot hole, so that we can make it even bigger enough so it can go through here, and then you install a little latch. So what you wanna do is going to be, you're gonna want to align the bumper how you want it. So let's say it's about good enough for me, right there. And they say you just gotta push hard. Just push super hard. And then, yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see, yeah, you guys can see that right there. It caused a little indent, a little bubble. So that's where you're gonna wanna drill your first pilot hole. And then from there, you use that little drill step, the little drill bit that's like a stepper tool. It's supposed to make the hole bigger enough so this can go through the hole. So you start slow, guys. You never want to just rush into it. I've learned the hard way, trust me. So okay. Start slow. I don't want to make it too big and there's no way of going back after that. But if you guys check it out, should be about right there. So this little guy right here can go there, but apparently that's still a little too small. So check it out, just a little bit more. There you go. Now you get this bolt right here, this little nut. You screw it in the back. Just like that. Right. Obviously I need to bolt it down a little bit more and add the bracket, but yeah, that's about it. After I tighten everything up and put the bracket, this should be a lot better. So you're gonna want to adjust. This is sticking out a little too long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retreat it a little bit back. That way this won't be sticking out too much, because obviously look at that, it's not a good fit, so I'm gonna have to redo that right there. We are gonna get our bracket, go through the hole, align everything. Super simple, guys. Next step is literally aligning it. Everything is bolted up, cleaned up. The gap could be a little bit tighter, but check it out. That's the driver's side, which was messed up. This is the passenger side. So it's not too off, but this bumper is not gonna go anywhere anymore. We got the front splitter on with that little quick latch, and if you guys want to get it removed, all you do is click it and that's it, all fixed up and ready to go. Super easy install. Click, releases, goes back in just like that. That's the driver's side. Let me go ahead and show you the passenger side. I don't think it really needs it. I think just one of the clips is broken, or oh, none of them. These are pretty good. The gap is a little better on the other side compared to this one. But I mean, it's a tough thing to do. It's pretty tough with the measuring, but it's not that bad. It doesn't look bad, honestly. But yeah, man, it's a super easy install. The hardest part is the drilling. We are always scared to drill into our cars, because once you drill, man, you can't go back anymore. You know what I mean? But we're able to do it. Pretty decent job. I follow the steps off of YouTube, so and it comes with no instructions. It comes with no instructions, so you have to do the research on your own, but it's pretty straightforward, guys. This is a little quick latch release tool from LMR, so Late Model Restoration has these guys. If you have a broken bumper, this is for any general car. Honestly, it's not only for Mustangs. You can make it work, but if you have a broken bumper, especially in the S550s, they're notoriously known for that. Go ahead and check it out, get it fixed, get it done, and get your car looking straight, guys. But that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you did find this video informative. I know it's a quick, short video, but I like to show you guys the progress, like to show you the ups, like to show you the downs on our vehicles, guys. And this was one of the downs, but we're trying to come back up. So yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.